Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty and some of the stocks. In this video, we are going to see some of the important key levels for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. And this time we have some stock also in our watch list. Let us see all the levels in detail. Let's get into the video. So first we are going to see Nifty chart, Nifty 50. So those who have followed our channel knows that we have given the last target for the Nifty as 18,100 levels. When Nifty was trading at 17,450 levels itself, we said 18,100 is our target level. And this target has already reached and went to the high of almost 18,400 levels. So now what happened is Nifty has took support exactly at 18,100 levels and it is starting to bouncing back from that point. So if it continues to bounce back and keeps close and cross above this 18,482 levels, it can go till 18,750 levels. 18,750 or 18,730, up to that levels we can expect the Nifty can go up. And the all-time high for Nifty is around 18,887. So if the Nifty keeps on going past 18,887, which is the all-time high, definitely you can expect the new high for the Nifty in upcoming days. But importantly, it has to give close and cross strongly above the level of 18,450 or 18,500 levels. So what if the Nifty comes down? So the immediate support is at 18,100 levels. If it comes below the 18,100 levels, you can expect the Nifty to come down till 70,600 levels. So if it goes past 18,450, it may go to all-time high. If it crosses the all-time high, it can give new high. Or else if it comes down 18,100, you can expect till 17,600. So this is what the levels for Nifty for the upcoming days. And now we are looking into Bank Nifty. And for Bank Nifty also we have given the targets at 43,600, which was clearly explained in the last video. So if anyone has not watched that video, kindly do check out that video, why we gave that as a target and when we gave that as target also. So now what happened is the Nifty has reached our previous target, that is 43,600, and it has went till 44,140 levels. And now it took support at this point and it is pulling back. Are you able to see this? Yeah. So this pin bar candle. So now the Bank Nifty is trying to pull up from our support region, and this is the all-time high for Bank Nifty, which is 44,160 levels. If it keeps on going past this level and if it gives very strong close and cross, then you can expect fresh all-time high for Bank Nifty as well. But what if the Bank Nifty comes down this 43,600 level? Means you can expect the Bank Nifty's support is at 42,600 levels, that is 42,575 or 42,600. In these levels you can expect a support for this Bank Nifty. So the levels we have discussed are not the exact levels, right? So it may vary. For Nifty you can expect 50 to 60 points plus or minus, and for Bank Nifty you can even expect 100 points as a difference, because we can't say that much in accuracy in terms of numbers. So you can expect some variations from these levels that I have given here. So now let us see some of the stocks also that I have in my watch list. So first that we are going to see is McDowell's, that is United Spirits. Yeah. So when you look at the daily time frame, it is clear that it has formed a cup pattern, right? This is considered as a resistance, which is 805, and I hope you all know this cup and handle, all these patterns and all. We have made a separate video on chart patterns itself, and if you have not checked out that video also, I will give the link of that video in description and card section. Don't forget to check out that video. So if you have seen this video, you know what happens after this cup and handle pattern. So now you can expect the handle here, or else you can expect the bullish move from here itself, because the last candle, that is 19th May, so this candle gives a huge bullish movement breaking this resistance line. So if it continues going up, you can expect the McDowell's to reach till 860 regions. So you can add this to your watch list and see how it is performing. And the next stock that we are going to see is LTIM, which is L&T and Mindtree combined together is LTIM. When you zoom out this, you can clearly see a wedge-like pattern here, right? So here the strong support is placed at 4128 levels, and it is forming a descending resistance, right? So now this day, let me zoom in this. So 19th May, this candle has broken this resistance line, and the volume is also pretty good. So if it continues to go high, you can expect the stock to go till 5200 levels. So you can add this also to your watch list. So the next stock that we are going to see is Ambuja Cements. So if you look at this Ambuja Cements, it is more like ascending triangle, right? So the resistance is placed at this 415 levels, and it has this ascending support. So once if it breaks this resistance of 415 levels, and if it gives strong close and cross above this 415, you can expect the bullish movement for this Ambuja Cements. And the target for this stock could be anywhere between 480 to 460. So the next stock that we are going to see is Vedanta Limited. Yeah, here you can clearly see this Vedanta Limited is traveling in this rectangular channel. So between these two high and lows itself. So if it breaks this high, you can expect the stock to go higher till 305 could be the possibility where it can reach. Okay, so you can consider Vedanta also in your watch list, but the thing is it has to give strong close and cross at this point like 290 and above, then only you can consider this stock. And the next stock that we are going to see is Tata Motors. So when you look at the Tata Motors in a weekly time frame, it is also clearly forming the cup pattern, right? And now this is the key resistance for this Tata Motors at 536, which is the key resistance for Tata Motors. So today this Tata Motors has reached to that resistance level and made a pullback and formed a doji candle at the end of the week. So we have to wait for the next week to get confirmation whether this Tata Motor is going to break this resistance or it will come down. If it comes down, the strong support for this Tata Motors is placed at 375 levels. So the next stock that we are going to see is Infosys, Infi. Overall, the IT sector was down for the past few days. Because of that only, the Infosys also made this much gap down. So what usually happens if a stock gives this much gap down means immediately it will try to fill that gap. Okay. So if you consider that and this pattern, this Infosys is trading between this rectangular channel, right? So once it breaks this 1280 levels and if it gives the strong close and cross above this point, you can expect this gap to get filled, which is you can expect the target of around 1360 levels. 1360 will be the key target for this Infosys only in the case of it breaking above this 1280 levels. And if it comes down, the immediate support is placed at 1220 levels. And the next stock that we are going to see is Ultratech Cements. Yeah, Ultratech Cements is also like ascending triangle. See, it is taking support at this point and at also this point, and also today took support from this point. So if it keeps on taking support from this point, it has to break out either way, either this resistance level or this support level. So if it breaks this support level, you can expect the stock to go down. But if the stock expect this 7918 levels resistance, you can expect the stock to go higher side. And the next stock that we are going to see is ITC. ITC was the recent sensation for all of the major investors because it was struggling a lot to sustain higher than this 400 levels. And in recent time only, it has survived for many days above this 400 levels. So now this ITC is also traveling between this rectangular channel. Hope you can able to see this. Today it was trying to break down this support level, but towards the end of the day it made a pullback and formed a pin bar here. So you have to wait and watch for this stock also. If it breaks above this 435 levels, 433 technically 435 levels, you can expect the fresh highs for ITC in the upcoming days. And if it breaks this support and comes down, the immediate support you can consider is 395 to 400 could be the potential support for this ITC. So we have to wait and watch. So add this stock also to your watch list. So the next stock that we are going to see is Indus Towers. For Indus Towers, we can look at weekly time frame. Yeah, you can clearly see this descending triangle pattern, right? So the strong support is placed at 136 levels, and here it is this resistance line. So once it breaks this resistance, you have to check with the volume. If the volume is also pretty good, you can make an entry for this Indus Towers stock. So the potential target or the next resistance could be around 190 and 200. You have to wait till it breaks this resistance line with a strong volume also. And the next stock that we are going to see is Axis Bank. People who are doing swing trade can also add Axis Bank to their watch list. In a weekly time frame, if you can see this, you can able to see that clearly. It has also formed the cup pattern, and the major resistance was placed at this levels 940, 950. This zone will be the major resistance for this Axis Bank. So once this Axis Bank keeps on breaking this 950 levels with a strong volume, you can expect the upper side movement for this stock. So if you look at the daily time frame, here see, you can expect the stock will go past this either, or you can expect the handle formation. After that, you can expect the stock to go higher. So either way it can be possible. So we have many stocks like this in our watch list, as you might have seen in that column itself. But as of now, these are the stocks in which we can expect the immediate entry, or the entries will be favoring for us sooner. So other stocks are not in favor for our entry, but still we will be watching all of these stocks. If any of the stock gets any entry opportunities, we will be updating you. So we have seen the Nifty and Bank Nifty charts and their support, resistance and the target levels. Those who are trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty options can use this analysis and add this to your watch list, and you have to do your technical analysis on your own. If your analysis matches our analysis, then you can give it a try. And those who are trading in equity or in stock options can add these stocks to your watch list along with your watch lists. You can analyze these stocks in your watch list also along with your stocks that you are regularly doing, or else just keep adding to your watch list and see how it is performing in the upcoming days. So we will be uploading the next market updates on the next weekend. So stay tuned for this weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you are able to learn at least a few things from this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family members. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on this notification icon. This small support from your side will be very much helpful for us. See you all in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.